Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into photography, videography, or just love snapping awesome pics and videos, then today's video is for you. I've got a list of the best mirrorless cameras for 2026, whether you're just starting out or you're a pro looking to upgrade. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's dive right into it. Okay, first up is the Sony A7 V. This thing is an absolute beast. It's got a 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, which means insane detail in your photos. Whether you're a landscape photographer, a portrait artist, or you just love taking super sharp shots, this camera will blow your mind. Not only does it take amazing photos, but the video capabilities are top-notch too. We're talking 8K video here. Plus, the autofocus is super fast, so you'll never miss a moment. If you're serious about your craft and want something that delivers both on photo and video, the Sony A7 V is seriously worth checking out. Want to grab it? Links in the description below. Canon EOS R10. This one is perfect for vloggers and content creators. It's small, it's lightweight, and it's packed with power. With a 24.2 megapixel sensor, the images come out looking sharp with fantastic colors, that classic Canon look. And let's not forget about the 4K video. This camera shoots some of the smoothest footage I've seen at 60 frames per second, making it great for vlogs or any type of content creation. It's also got that legendary Canon dual pixel autofocus, so you'll always stay in focus no matter how much you move around. If you're looking for a portable and powerful mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R10 might just be your new best friend. Check the description for the link to pick one up. For all my pro-level creators out there, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a game changer. This thing is an absolute powerhouse with a 45 megapixel full-frame sensor and insane autofocus. Seriously, the tracking on this camera is crazy good. You can get perfect shots of moving subjects, no problem. It's got 8K video recording, which is perfect for filmmakers and content creators who need high-end video quality. And the Pro Video Bundle comes with everything you need: a 24 to 50 millimeter lens, a 256 gigabyte CF express card, video light, microphone, and more. If you want something that will elevate your content to the next level, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is definitely a camera to consider. Make sure to check the description for the link to this bundle. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, if you're all about video and want something that can handle serious filmmaking, check out the Panasonic Lumix S1 II. This camera is a 6K beast, meaning you can shoot high-quality video with insane detail. It's got 15 stops of dynamic range, which makes it perfect for capturing those cinematic, rich shots with perfect lighting and shadows. The ProRes RAW HQ recording is a must-have for anyone who's serious about video production. Whether you're making short films, YouTube videos, or documentary-style content, the Lumix S1 II has the gear you need to make your videos look professional and polished. Click the link in the description if you want to grab this bad boy. We've got the Sony A6700. This one is such a solid all-around camera. It's perfect for beginners who want something easy to use, but it's also packed with pro-level features that can grow with you. You're getting a 24.2 megapixel sensor, so you'll get sharp, crisp images every time. Plus, it shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second, which is perfect for content creators who want to make high-quality videos. The autofocus on this camera is amazing too. It's fast, accurate, and won't let you down. And the best part? The kit comes with a 16 to 50 millimeter lens, microphone, memory card, and more. Everything you need to get started. Want to check it out? Link in the description below. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this helped you find your next mirrorless camera. Whether you're into photography, video, or vlogging, there's something on this list for you. Be sure to check the links in the description to get more details and grab the one that fits your needs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome gear reviews. See you in the next one.